These are the directions for completing your If It Were My Home assignment for your World's Fair country. This assignment is similar to other ones that we've done, where you're going to be going to a website, gathering information, and then inputting information into a template. So, starting off at the top, we have the website If It Were My Home takes information from the CIA World Factbook and uses it to compare life in all the countries of the world. The following paragraph compares, then you're going to choose a topic put the name of your World's Fair country, to the United States. To get this information, you're going to go to this website, If It Were My Home. So you're going to open up this website and you're going to see a main page that lists pretty much every country in the world. Your country should be on here. If you can't find it, ask the teacher for help. For this example, we're going to do Bolivia. So I'm going to find Bolivia, click on the country, and it's going to take us to this page here where we see several examples comparing the Bolivia to the United States. Once we've gotten to the information on our country, we're going to pick one topic that we want to talk about. As we notice back on our template page, there are a few categories that we're not going to be doing. So first, you're not going to do anything with violence, nothing having to do with HIV or AIDS, nothing having to do with infant mortality, and nothing to do with healthcare. So when we go back to our main page here, there are a few things that we can say that we're not going to do right off the bat. First, we have die 11.01 years sooner. That one's actually okay because it's not specifically about violence. So you may do something about this. When it says more likely to die in infancy, that is something that we're not going to do. When it says here 3.2 times more likely to be murdered, again, that has to do with violence, so we're not going to do that. This one here where it says spend this amount less money on healthcare, we're not going to do that one either because it's complicated. And then right down here where it says 50% less likely to have HIV/AIDS, we're not going to do that one either. So pretty much everything else is available for you to pick. For this example, we are going to do electricity. So if we have our topic as electricity, we're going to go back, and where it says compares your chosen topic, we are going to put in electricity usage we're going to write the name of your World's Fair country. For this example, we're doing Bolivia, to the United States. Now we need to put in some information about our country compared to the United States. So it says, according to the website, If It Were My Home, a person living in the United States would, and then it says, copy and paste the statement made on the website about your chosen topic. When we go back to the website, we see our section here on electricity. We're just going to copy the white part for this first place that we need to fill in. Now, when you try and select it here, it actually doesn't copy, so you're going to have to just remember it and type it in yourself. So as you can see, I've copied that white statement there right into my document right here. Use 94.64 less electricity if they lived in, and then you're going to put in the name of your World's Fair country again. The next part says, this is because, and then here you're going to copy and paste the bolded sentence in the next box of your chosen topic. So if we go back to this screen, we notice how we have our white statement here. This bolded sentence right below is what we're going to copy and then paste right within these parentheses. Okay, we'll worry about the formatting later, so you can just leave that like this for now. The next part is actually your opinion. So you're going to think about the statistics you just looked at, and you're going to decide whether or not it makes you more or less likely to want to live in your World's Fair country. Then you're going to explain why. So for example, for this one, I could choose more likely to want to live in Bolivia because, and I could say something like, I like how they use less electricity and therefore pollute the earth less. When it comes to formatting, you're going to format it just like you've done every other assignment. You're going to want to make sure that the spacing is correct. For this one, we can keep everything double spaced, and you want to make sure that everything is the right font and size with no extra colors and all links deleted at the bottom. In the end, your "If It Were My Home" paragraph should look something like this.